Hello friend, welcome to my Engineering Hub. This is your narrator, Chief Engineer Ravi Gupta. Today we will talk about Purifier gear pump overhauling. In today's video, we will learn that how we overhaul the Purifier gear pump. What are the important checks we should do while doing the overhauling of a gear pump assembly of a Purifier. And after that, we will see what things we will need to change when doing the Purifier overhauling. Friend, those who are watching the video of Marine Engineering Hub for the first time, I want to tell you, Marine Engineering Hub is a platform in which we make video like this which will be beneficial for examination, oral and for your interview. Friends, if you are giving MU class 4, class 2, class 1 exam, I request you to take our membership. You can find a lot of video which can be beneficial for examination purpose. So let's start today's video of a gear pump assembly of a Purifier. So basically, the gear pump in some of a purifier is attached through horizontal shaft and it is provided on the other end of a horizontal shaft. It means that the gear pump as a drive is taking from the horizontal shaft. So the drive of a gear pump is being provided by the horizontal shaft through a safety joint. If in examination they ask you that what is a safety joint is a weakness point which will break in case of any obstruction from the horizontal shaft side. Why? Because if it breaks, it will prevent the damage to the gear of a gear pump. So this is the importance of a safety joint. What is the material of safety joint? Safety joint is basically made up of Teflon material. It has a strength of certain kilonewton. After that, it will break, and over a period of time it is made in such a way that after a specific running hour it will weaken and it will automatically break if not change. Now when we do the Purifier gear pump overhauling is been done after a specific running hour as per mentioned in a maker's manual. While doing the Purifier gear pump overhauling, first thing we need to do is that we need to remove the inlet and outlet pipe. After that, we will remove this foundation nut, as you can see this. Then we will take out the Purifier full body. After that, the safety joint will be visible. The safety joint socket screw should be removed and then only the safety joint will come out. After that, we need to remove the body top cover of a gear pump. Which is top cover? This is top cover. This 4 nut, if we remove, this is the relief valve arrangement. This relief valve will be coming out. So when we remove the 4 nut bolt, we can remove the relief valve. After that, this is the bush. You can see signing a bush, and after taking out the bush, the gear will come out and 2 more bush will be inside the body. So this is the main overhauling thing. Now after taking it out, what important check you will do? First thing, of a relief valve, you need to make sure that before opening this full body, you need to take distance from this body end to top end, that is called A. You see this A. Why it is done? It is done to make sure that after overhauling, when we tighten, it is tightened in a correct position. Second precaution we need to take is that while removing, don't pull out this. First remove the socket screw, then only you take out. After that, now see the exploded view. So this is the body of a gear pump. So what thing we need to change during the routine overhauling of a gear pump? The first thing is that all the consumables, basically the gasket of inlet and outlet, the O-rings which is fitted in the relief valve cover. After that, the O-rings inside the relief valve. After that, we check the condition of gear. The gear should not be having scoring mark, should not be broke anywhere. After that, we need to check the bush condition. This is the bush. We need to check the scoring mark and what is the worn down limit of a bush, and based on that we will change the bush of a in and out of both gear pump. So in routine overhauling, we change safety joint, we change gasket, we change O-ring, we change bush depending on condition, we change the o-ring of a relief valve. So these are the things we need to change during the rotor overhauling of a Purifier. Friend, if you like the today video, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Friend, if you are watching the video till end, I request you to take the membership. You can find a lot of video which will be beneficial for examination, I guarantee. Thank you friend, have a good day.